everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In Monday's video, I went ahead and made this little cutie decor in that video using my dies from Spellbinders. I was going to bring that same die set into today's video to create a card. This is probably going to be one of my shortest videos in card making because you already seen the card build, so I'll move kind of fast during that process, but the rest I'll slow back to normal speed. But I don't know, I just absolutely loved how the card turned out, and I just had to bring this to the channel. So watch how I turn this decor into a card. Let's go ahead and get started. So here is the die set that I use in that decor that we're going to use, that we're going to make in this card. So I'll be sure to link that. I believe I got it off of Amazon. And then I'm also going to use Lawn Fawn. These are Lawn Fawn rectangle stitch dies. I don't know. I will link those. I bought those. Also, they're actually two separate purchases. So just that's why there will be two links for that. And we're going to use some cardstock. First thing is first, let's go ahead and get the, actually I think I want to use this one. Let's get some die cutting done first. Okay. This is an A2 panel, so it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I want to just use the stitch rectangle die for the top panel. So we'll put that there. And then I'll run that through my die cutting machine. Okay. All right, that did beautifully. There's that. I don't have any more die cutting to do since I did all that off camera. I'm telling you, this is going to be such a quick card because I got all of the die cutting done. I'm also going to trim the panel down to because I want to have like a layer on top of a layer look. So that is why I'm trimming that down here. Beautiful. Now what we'll do, I'm going to bring in my glue and my reverse tweezers. So let's get the two pieces. Now this time the decor that I did in the Craft With Me video, that I used a little bit of a different color combination in that decor. And then this I am using, and there's a debossed area so you can kind of get that lined up where you need it to get lined up. But anyway, this one I'm going to use slightly different combination than in that decor. So if you are into making your own, I'm just cleaning up that glue that got underneath there. If you're into making, DIYing your decor, let this be a reminder that you can go ahead and use your dies and your stamps to create some type of decor. I use it a lot in my videos, my Craft With Me videos, for those who don't watch that. Oops, I got this upside down. And I love to do that. I love to stretch I've been doing that for a very long time. I love to stretch the money that I spend by not just sticking with the dies just for card making, but also for decor, right? So there's the little cutie patooties. Okay, and then I think before I assemble the rest, I'm gonna assemble my panel because I think it's gonna be easier to assemble it onto my panel. So what I'll do is I'll use a little panel and I'll place that on here like so. And then I'm going to do top folding. Place that there. Okay. And then we'll put this onto my card base. Now I'm just going to go ahead and glue this directly onto my panel, since I already have a lot of dimension already. So I'm just going to add some, come on, there we go, double-sided tape, and let's put that down like so. All right, I love it. Okay, again, easy peasy. Now, I did do this card before I even created that video, and of course before I did this video, and I loved it so much that I wanted to turn it into decor, and that's why I did that in the other video. But that card, I did a different background, and if you watched the Craft With Me video, then you would have already seen it. And I'll show it again in this video so you can see what it looks like. It totally changes the vibe of the card when you change this background. So, oh, you know what? I'm kind of getting ahead of myself, a little cocky here. And I'm like not paying attention to placement. Normally I like to lay my things down before I, so that way I can kind of get an idea about where the placement is going to go. So that... Oop, 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 oop. Do not move on me, please. Okay, that looks super cute. I mentioned it in that video, and I'll mention it again in this video for those who don't like to watch those Craft With Me videos. I love flamingos. Penguins and flamingos are my jam. And we call them fairies. My brother-in-law, my sister, and I, we call them fairies. I don't know why we call flamingos fairies, and it's just, I forget how it even came about. I know we were at a zoo. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's do the flowers here. We were at a zoo, and yeah, I don't know. We just decided to call them flamingos to be silly, and it just kind of stuck. I'm thinking, gosh, I'm gonna have to ask my brother-in-law and my sister, like, how did we come about calling... I can almost picture where we were. Like, I don't even remember what zoo it was, but I can almost picture like what the flamingo, the enclosure for the flamingos. So I gotta stop myself from saying fairies when I say flamingos in this video, because I want to call them fairies out of habit. So let me just move that to the side. Right now I'm just doing some layering with my florals. Okay, so there's that. Okay, and then I think I want to do light and dark. So we'll just put that there. And then, so this is literally the third time of me making this card. Oops. My glass mat is so dirty, I gotta clean it. And then we'll put that there, like so. I use some glitter for that, just to help with the glitter cardstock that I used to cut out the word hello. And then I don't need these pieces anymore. And then what I'll do is I'm going to bring this back in, and let me just put that down, put some glue there, dip it, here we go. Oh my goodness, getting glue everywhere. And then I will put that on there like so. I love how easy this card really comes together, and of course you can go all in it and really do it up, but for me I like the simplistic nature of this card, so that's why I'm leaving it as is. Okay, so then I gotta figure out my floral arrangement, and I think what we'll do is we'll just add a little bit of glue to that, and let's put that there. And then, yeah, I think I like that. Now I need to bring in my foam squares. First of all, I want to put some foam squares on the back of here because I want to have some dimension to this card. And then I need a foam square. Well, I guess it doesn't matter now. On this side. Okay. And then we'll just put a little bit of glue on the back side of that. And oops, a little bit too much. Perfect. And then we will add some glue here. Okay. Oh shoot. No, too low. There we go. And then I need to add this little guy underneath there. Yep, that looks good. Okay, I need to switch this around. And then, I apologize, I'm not quite centered. There we go. And then I'm going to kind of turn it. There, perfect, I love it. Okay, the last thing is to add the sentiment, and I'm going to go ahead and add it down here. I am curious to see which of the two cards you like, and again, it's just some subtle differences between the two. Not too much of a difference between the card that I did off camera, and like I said, I was originally not going to do this off camera, or I was not originally going to bring this to my channel. I was just crafting to craft, and sorry, my phone's going off. Yeah, so let me know. You'll have to let me know. Okay, next thing I want to do is add some, I'm not going to add any I'm not going to add any sequins, but what I want to do is just kind of add a little sparkle, a little shimmer. And I'm going to bring in my crystal stickles, and I'm just going to add a little bit to the leaves. Go just a little bit. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to keep this card easy peasy. I'll tell you a quick video of creating this cute little flamingo, aka fairy. And there is the finished card. Oh my gosh, I love it. And here is the green one, and what's different about this is, of course, it has that mint green background, and then the flowers are a little bit different. Basically this one's different, but the rest is still the same. So you'll have to let me know which of the two you like the best. Do you like the pink panel or do you like the mint green panel? I don't know, they're both equally cute, but I'm dying to know which background you like the most. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, as always, and don't forget to hit that hype button for me. That really does help out my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. All right, thanks for watching. I will catch you all in the next card craft or craft haul video. Bye.
Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my mommy's channel. Bye-bye.